And what do you
but-
taste in it?
Well, what do you
Mushroom.
eat?
It's a strong taste. It's
strong
very
kind.
good, flavorful, and it's especially good with the sauce.
Which one is this?
What do you taste in it? What kind of flavor?
This is Bob's.
Or what veggies?
Oh, I tasted some mushrooms, and some must be some sausage because it's spicy.
And
Bobby
the
being
peppers
judged.
and the cheese go together very nicely with the mushrooms.
Very nice.
That's a very nice
Alright.
comment, Peg. That was good.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a neat comment.
That is a neat comment. I do say so myself.
Okay, now
That's
you
what
gotta
we're
try
looking
something
for.
else,
Alright,
guys.
try a new
Try
one.
another one.
You can try this little. You just
Try
hold it.
another one.
Okay. It's on.
Hey, just because the first one's really good, they don't want to stop. It's alright.
It was a little thick on the sausage.
Nothing else, sausage, alright. Bobby Flay would take that with an sorry, fair enough. He said, you know, I thought so too. Good.
I hope there was sausage.
in here.
Pepperoni.
This is a little bit spicier, but it's not awfully spicy. It's just about right.
Well played, Graham.
Yeah.
Has
I think there's an opening
Strong
at the
blue
Network
cheese.
Channel, Graham.
that has a melted cheese texture. It's
But there's
Somewhat gooey.
still a.
Someone
It's not.
What do you want from me?
It's
Never been a food judge before.
Yeah.
Give me a break.
I don't
It's
know
not
what
right.
you call
Put in the comments.
It's very good.
I'd be like, it's very good.
These are very nice
Now
comments.
this supposed to be this one.
This is
we
Ben
all
and
are
Leanne.
starving.
Hirschfield is being evaluated.
Should we flip
Yep,
or
tell
something?
us what it
the white.
tastes like.
The white using
We're
the
all
white
really
sauce
hungry.
with this does make is better than the red sauce.
And,
Now is this something different up there?
Yeah.
Yep.
That's another child.
So both these are all one.
No.
No. I mean, you just taste one.
These two and these two. These.
Well, of course, that's obvious.
For you.
I like the red sauce with it just as well as the white sauce.
Oh, good.
No.
I like them both, actually.
Yeah, I'm trying to think what that. It's got to be ricotta. That's what it's got to be because you have that little bit of something that mushes nice and easy. Mm.
He nailed it.
Oh, come on, no one else joined in?
Starting to get hungry.
Yeah, this is.
You think? Kill someone's throat out. There'll be a label up there.
I'm not getting a lot of flavor.
very
No, not as
Yeah.
much flavor.
I think it needs a little more.
Or just put it on top.
These are
put
two
it on
different
low.
ones?
I mean, you can't put it on low.
Alright, we're gonna pause for a second.